Yo guys, what's up and welcome to the channel. I know it's been a while since I did a video guys, but I'm finally back. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas and a wonderful New Year's. And also guys, thank you so much for all y'all that have subscribed to the channel. I greatly appreciate the support. But today guys, on the $800 Mustang GT, we're going to be installing a double din radio. Now guys, my Mustang here is a 98. So we're going to have to make some modification in order to get a double din to work in here. So I'm going to show you, try to show y'all best I can how to do this. So I'm going to show you over here guys, the parts we're going to be using in order to do this. Alright guys, so here's the parts that we're going to be using. Right here is the double din we're going to be installing. It is a Boss double din 6.2. This is the wire harness that comes with this double din here. Also right here is the bezel from a 2001 to 2004. This right here is going to help save me a lot of work. Now I could use the bezel that I got in my 98, but it's going to require a lot of modification in order to get to work. So this right here will save me a lot of work because we got the open place right here where we can put the double din in. Up there will be for our air conditioning controls and stuff. So right here guys is what I'm going to use to help brace this radio up. And also I got this double din kit here. Might be needing it also to help brace it onto this guys. This is the part number for it guys, if you're interested in it. Now this is from a 2001 to 2004 guys. Double din kit for a Mustang. We might be using it and we may not be using it guys. I'm not for sure yet, but we'll see. And right here is what I'm gonna use to cut the plastic and stuff guys. Got the sander there, got the blade. It's somewhere around there guys. But we'll have to cut some plastic guys in order to get this to fit in here. We ain't gonna have to cut that on here guys. Just I'll show y'all here in a minute guys what we gotta cut. So yeah guys, that's pretty much all the stuff I'm gonna be using. So alright guys, let's get inside guys and get started. Alright guys, so we're inside the car now. Now guys, I have changed this out to the aftermarket radio. And also, I forgot to mention it first guys, this does have a 460 sound system. And if you want to know the wire harness that I'm using in order to get this aftermarket radio to work with my 460 sound system, you can check out this video right here above and it'll show you the wire harness I used and everything for this. So guys, what we're gonna have to do first guys is basically we're going to pop all this off here, pop this off, and then we're gonna have to pop this piece off. So I'm gonna go ahead guys and pop this off and pop this off here and get back with y'all in a minute. Alright guys, so I done went ahead and removed those pieces. Basically I just pop off the bottom one there first, pull it up, pop it off, then went for the top one, pulled from underneath there and unhook my radio and everything. So guys, before I show you what we're going to be cutting and everything, let me show you the difference between these bezels here. See right here is the let me set it down here right there. Maybe I can get a good look at it. This is the 2001 to 2004 guys. See right here we got an open place where we can put the double din in. Up here is where the AC controls are at and everything. And on the right here, this is the one that's on the 94 to 2000 guys. And as you see here, we got the separate piece here where the AC controls go at. Then right here is where your radio. Then under here would be like a CD or a cubby place there. As you can see with this one guys, it's going to require a lot more modification in order to get to work. And I just didn't want to go through all that work guys. A lot of cutting, had to cut this up here, and it probably just wouldn't come out looking right. Maybe some of y'all, maybe y'all know how to do it better. Y'all might be able to use this one and still put your double D in. It will save you some money though. Yeah, but I went ahead and went with this one, guys, so that way I can save me some work, so I won't have to do so much modification. Now these are pretty expensive out there, guys. They do cost a little bit. But, okay, just want to show you the difference of that, guys. And okay, now let me show you what we're going to be cutting here, guys. So the first thing we're going to be cutting here, we're going to be cutting these tabs off here. right here. Now I'm going to cut as little as possible. Probably going to cut to right here for now. And right there. Try to cut to there, guys. And if I have to cut more, I'll cut more. Because I want to leave some plastic here, guys. Because on this plastic here is where I'm going to try to put my support deal for my radio in order to get this to work. Alright, guys. So I'm done finished cutting, guys. Basically, that's how much I cut there. And over there. I cut it and I sanded it down. Also, guys, give it that little clean look so it won't look all jaggy too much. Now I'm not gonna keep my buttons in my bezel here. Let me show you guys. See, I took these buttons out, guys, because in order for me to keep these buttons, guys, I will have to cut some more over here. I have to cut down here at the bottom some, trim this off here, and I really don't want to do all that right now, guys. I'm basically gonna put it on there right now without no buttons, and maybe later on I'll come back here, guys, and probably trim down here at the bottom in order to get those these buttons to fit in there with that bezel, guys. So yeah, right now, guys, I just got that cut. Now I'm gonna go get the brace, guys, and kind of figure out where I'm gonna put it at. I think I'm gonna have to put it right here, guys. I don't know, I might have to put it lower, guys. I don't know for sure yet. I gotta get my double D in, guys, get measurements and everything, and be back here in a minute, guys, to show you. Alright, guys, so I got it on here. This is how I put it on here, guys. Hopefully that's high enough. So now, guys, I'm gonna take this piece here. This is off the double ding kit that I got for this car, guys. I'll show you the part number again, guys. Go. Right there's the part number, guys. It's the part number for it. Oh, got a miss. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna screw this onto here along with the double ding kit. So I'm gonna be back, guys, doing that, and kind of show you what I did there. Alright, guys, so I went ahead and put the double ding kit on here. Got that. Got this piece here. Actually, this piece just snaps into here, guys, and on the other side there too. So yeah, basically what we're gonna do, guys, is screw down this piece here onto the brace we built, and that should be able to hold it up, guys. And also back here, guys, we got it all wired up here, the wire harness that came with this radio here, and this is the wire harness that I had to get in order to make my radio work with the 460 sound system, guys. If you want to know the part number to that, you can check out this video right here, and I will show you the part number to this wire harness that I got here, which basically I got at Amazon. So the way I wire all this up, guys, is basically everything's just color coded, guys. You know, green to green, your green with the black stripe on it goes to the green with the black stripe onto this one. You know, so basically, you know, like this is your speaker stuff here, and over here is basically gonna be your power, and these blue wires here are your amps. Which on this wire harness here, guys, the blue and white one here are wired up to my solid blue one. And it should be fine like that. I know this is a power antenna, guys, but it should give it power to the amp right here for this. So yeah, the red, guys, and yellow, the yellow. Did not use this one, guys, and do not use this solid blue one here on this. Everything on here pretty much used. Like I said, it's color coded, guys. It's color code. Everything just goes color coded. There, see. Hopefully that helps you out right there with the wire situation, guys. So let's go ahead and get this thing screwed in here. Get the bezel put on there, and come play the music, guys. Show y'all that this is actually gonna work. Hopefully down the road, guys, we don't blow the amp, because you know the 460 is pretty crazy. So alright, guys, let's get this in. Alright, guys, so I got it in there, got it screwed down and everything. So now, guys, I'm gonna put the bezel back on, put everything back together. We're gonna play some music and see how this thing works. Alright, so I'll be back in a minute. So alright, guys, so pretty much I got it in here now. I am having trouble getting this piece to go in, guys. I might have to get the one from the 2001 to 2004 to go with this, or I might have to make some adjustment to get this to fit. And also, guys, later on I am gonna go back and cut this up, guys, so I can be able to put those buttons in there, cut that bottom piece there. Now I do got me a little bit of a gap here, guys. I'm probably got to make some adjustments, bring it down some. We'll see what we got to do with that. But yeah, pretty much that's how you install a double DIN into your car, guys, into your Sn95. So right now, guys, I'm gonna turn the car on. I'm gonna play some music and see what this thing sounds like. Next. So yeah, guys, everything works in here. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much how you install a double DIN into your Sn95, guys. So I hope this video helps you out, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see y'all later.